Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to be focusing on how to quickly change locations if you already have a map built. This is also known as using the bulk edit feature. So the first thing is from my dashboard, I'm going to go to my folders and find my existing map. So all you have to do is load it. So click on the names to load the map that you have previously created. And you'll notice that right now I have a map for Atlanta. We have several layers included. We have the our all purchase forecast layer right here. We have our African American borrower layer right here. We have our Hispanic borrower layer here. We have also some listings that have been newly listed on the market the past 10 days. And then we had also added places of worship so that each green square represents a church or synagogue or mosque or other place of worship. Okay, so from here, let's say we want to do the exact same map. So we're happy with our map, but we want to do the exact same thing. And we want to do it for San Francisco. So this is how we're going to quickly do that. We're going to go to the Locations Bulk Edit button and click it. And we're going to tell it the new market to focus on. So I'm going to go to MSAs. Okay, so now let's say we want to go to San Francisco. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as my new market name. So this is going to be San Francisco. And I'm going to hit Save As. And now the map is going to redraw. And the reason I saved it as first is because once I edit this map, it gets saved automatically. So I want to get ahead of the game and make sure that the map name corresponds to its contents. So now what I can do is click on the Locations Bulk Edit button. And I'm going to pick the new market. So I'm going to go to my MSAs and type San Francisco and select it. And the platform then says, okay, which layers would you like me to apply to San Francisco? And I'm actually going to apply all of these layers to San Francisco. Okay, and I'm going to hit Save. And you'll see one by one, each layer is going to disappear from Atlanta because now if I zoom out, it'll be in San Francisco. And there is our new market. So I'm going to zoom back in by holding down the Shift key and then left mouse clicking. And we will see that we have the same layers, but you'll notice I will have to rename this specific layer because it's attached to the city or the market. So I'm going to click on the down arrow or the caret and hit rename. And now I'm going to say California, San Francisco, and hit save. And now we have all of our layers. We have the places of worship, we have the listings, we have the Hispanic forecast here, we have the African American forecast here, and we have our all borrower forecast here. So this has been how to use the Locations Bulk Edit button, or really how to quickly change locations if you already have a map built. Thanks for watching. See you next time.